Yo, what's up, fam? Another Tough Talk Tuesday. Be a little longer today. Yo, been having this dude, I guess he a black Israelite or whatever, been commenting on my channel, on the Bible studies and stuff. You know, I'm the type of person. I'm like this, man. If I'm not helping the problem, I'm part of the problem. Black on black crime is just not picking up a gun and killing each other. You could verbally kill a person, man. I've been watching a lot of Israelites and stuff, and I've been watching the way they move and the way they try to reach people. You can't reach me dogging me, you know. Y'all check out this video I saw, and after y'all check this video out, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's really just black on black crime. That's all it is. Uh, yeah. Even if you are Israelite, you don't think an Israelite can go to hell. You don't think an Israelite can raise hell. You don't think the black man in America is raising hell. You don't think black on black crime is wrong. Say, man, we don't even have to go biblical to know that's wrong. Say, man, if you ain't willing to sit down and reason, as the Bible says, reason with me. Don't come at me. You know what I'm saying? Uh, you talking about you a lion. Say, man, you acting like a pussycat. When you out there on the street corner with a microphone and you dogging other brothers because they may not have the knowledge or the wisdom that you think you have, because you picking berries out of the Bible and using it and say, see, we right, we wear tassels. Man, shut up. You probably got that religion in prison or in jail or whatever. Well, I ain't had to go to jail to get into the word. God was there. Because I followed the word, I'm in my 50s and I've never been to the penitentiary. So don't come talking about the laws, the law abiding. I'm a law abiding citizen. But y'all check that video out. Y'all checked it out. Y'all see that these cats are just out there fighting each other. It's black on black crime. No matter how you put the word with it, it's black on black crime. Charity begins at home and spread abroad. If we are people, if we are a nation, if we are a race of people, and we fighting against each other, we ain't got to worry about an Edomite, a Sodomite, or nothing. No kind of ite. We killing each other. We are our own new Ku Klux Klan. Yo, y'all be good and be blessed to the next.